and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who purrs all day. D is for dog who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who swims away. G is for guitar, strum a tune. H is for hat, worn in June. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jelly, wobbly in your tummy. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, hear him cry, roar. M is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for nest, for birds to be. O is for octopus with arms so wide. P is for pencil, to write with